In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fine-tune your voice using ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a novice looking to enhance your audio projects, refining your voice settings can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get the perfect voice output. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser. Any browser will do, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, the next step is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If it's your first time using the platform or you haven't logged in for a while, take a moment to get familiar with the interface and explore any new features that might catch your interest. Now, for our example today, we're going to focus on the 11v2 voice design. It's crucial that you ensure you're using this specific version since it provides the best options for fine-tuning. If necessary, check the documentation or any release notes to understand its features better. This version is known for its flexibility and advanced tweaking capabilities, making it ideal for honing your desired voice output. Next, head over to the Settings menu. Here, you have the opportunity to adjust several key parameters that will have a profound impact on your audio output. Let's start with the stability parameter. This feature is essential for maintaining a consistent tone across longer dialogues or speeches. Think of stability as your foundation. It holds the voice together and smooths out any fluctuations. Now let's talk about similarity. This parameter helps mimic the nuances of natural speech, so it's vital if you're aiming for a more authentic and relatable voice output. Adjusting this can bring more life and character into your voice, making it sound less robotic and more engaging. Lastly, explore the style exaggeration settings. This is where you can get a bit creative. By tweaking this, you can emphasize certain stylistic elements of the voice, whether you're aiming for a dramatic flair or subtle nuances that highlight emotions. It's all in the details. Play around with these settings until you achieve a voice style that truly resonates with your project requirements. With your settings fine-tuned, it's time to hit the Generate Speech button. This is the exciting part where your adjusted parameters come to life, turning your text into spoken words with clarity and precision. Finally, once you're satisfied with the generated voice, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. You can do this by hitting Share to post it directly on your chosen platform, or Download to save it for future use. This ensures you always have access to your customized voice files whenever you need them. And there you have it, a swift and effective guide to fine-tuning your voice using ElevenLabs. With these steps, you now possess the skills to enhance your audio projects, giving them the professional edge they deserve.